Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Priya CC Crafts. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make this wall decor for Mickey Mouse theme based birthday celebration. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for more craft related tutorials. Let's start. First, we are going to learn how to make the single layer decoration item. Take 1/4 part of an A4 size paper. Fold the paper as shown here. You can create different size birthday decoration items like this by changing the size of the paper. Take another paper having the same dimension and repeat the same procedures which we did before. Fold these two papers into equal halves. Trim its ends as shown here. Using glue, stick them properly as shown in the video. Since it's for a Mickey Mouse theme based birthday party, here I am using the pic of Mickey Mouse at the center. Next, we are going to learn how to make this double colored decoration item. Take half the part of an A4 size paper. Fold the paper properly as shown here. Repeat the same procedures which we did before on 3 such papers. Stick them properly as shown here. Stick the previously prepared decoration item on the top of this. Using this idea, you can create your own by changing the size and the color of the paper. Next, we are going to learn how to make this Mickey theme based decoration item. Take a black colored chart paper, draw an outline of a large circle and then cut it. Take two small circular cutouts as shown here. You can write any text matching the birthday celebration on the large circle. Using glue, adhere the two small circles as shown here. The Mickey theme based decoration items are ready now. Now you can stick it on the wall using a double side tape. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Do like, share and comment for more craft related tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.